welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we'll be doing my dad does my makeup. So before we get started, make sure you subscribe, like and press the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. If you want me to do certain videos, you can comment in the comment section below, and I hope you enjoy the video. And without getting
फ्लो किट आई कोको पिंक आई शैडो आपको मैं शैडो ही देनी है तो क्लिक बना कलर भी
तो पूछो जिसने बनाया, मेरा तो आइडिया नहीं था बनाने का।
तो काम की चीजें बनवाया करो तो तुम्हारे काम आए। पहले आई के ऊपर भी शैडो डालनी पड़ता है।
देखो आपने करना है मेकअप।
डबल एक्सटेंशन एक्स्ट्रा ब्लैक फोर्टिफाइंग एक्सटेंडिंग मस्कारा।
इतना पढ़ने की क्या जरूरत है, सीधा मस्कारा तक ही जाते हैं।
तो ये किस काम आता है?
मस्कारा है ना।
तो ये आईलैशेस से लगता है हैं? ये तो एंड में देखेंगे, इसको बच गया कुछ तो ठीक लगेगा। तो वाइट मस्कारे भी बनाए हैं।
वाइट मस्कारा
ये आईलैश वाइट हो जाएगी?
नहीं नहीं, थोड़ा सा उसे अच्छा शेड देने के।
ओह सही जवाब।
मुझे इतना आता है मेकअप के बारे में, ऐसा मत सोचो मेरे बारे में।
बिग ब्लश फॉर अ जॉस प्रेसेंट। ये तो फ्रेंच फ्रूट लग रहा है।
Oh God, I can't handle this.
ये लेटेस्ट चीज है हमारी, आपको देखने को एंजॉय होगा।
Damn it! I can't stop laughing.
Perfect. This is what eyeshadow again. So many shadows you've kept. Some light also you should keep. Or
It's the
everything is
second time
shadow.
you're picking that up, that's why.
Because these are the only 2-3 things I can understand. Rest are only colors. Foca lure.
Okay,
What is foca lure?
Okay.
Let me see what is foca lure. आईज के ऊपर लगाते हैं वो गर्ल्स, वही है फोका ल्यूर। आईज क्लोज प्लीज। शो मी। मच बेटर, मच बेटर। यू हैव टू कंट्रोल गोल्डनिश, गोल्डन कलर। व्हाट इज माय फेवरेट? गोल्डन।
Yes, आपको eyeliner लगाना आता है?
दिस इज नॉट एन आईलाइनर। इसमें तो कुछ निकला ही नहीं।
मैं पूछ
ये डंडी शुरू हुई कि खत्म हो गई? आप प्लीज आगे आए। ये कहाँ लगेगा?
We can't tell you.
थोड़ा सा आइडिया भी दे सकते? मुझे नहीं मालूम है ये कहाँ लगेगा। ये मैं नहीं लगा। आईलाइनर, आईलाइनर, आईलैशेस, आईलैशेस, ये दो ही चीजें भरी हुई तुमने इधर।
Papa!
Show me something else I can use.
I can actually help you with that if you want.
Show me what else. Lipstick is there. She's laughing so much. How do I do it? This is quite close to what you showed me that girl. This is a something A which I understand that you girls call it compact or compact.
Good.
T वाला ट या C वाला ट. Compact.
Side कर दो।
Doing the whole makeup thing for the first time in my life, so I hope something good I can say.
Become gory like a mom, you won't need all this.
I am gory like my mom. I'm just a little dark.
That is what I'm saying. Don't be dark, be Gora.
Okay, next time I'll try to be, okay?
You named me Gauri. What else?
Not my bad.
Okay, I have come up with a spray kind of thing.
You cannot say anything, okay?
Can somebody tell me what is this? Normal to oily. Fit me foundation. This was the first thing I believe should have been put, which I am using it for the third or fourth time. This is what I have heard these people say, mummy
These
and
people say?
dadi and everybody. Though now I have already done the little bit of makeup, so I won't use it. गर्दन पे नहीं किया, गर्दन पे लगा दो। सिर ऊपर कीजिए।
मेरी मम्मी ने यहाँ बताया कि किसने ना पूरा किसी रूम में सिखा बहुत पापा मम्मी ने बताया देखिए मैं पूरे मैसेज में मेरा गर्दन चंपो भाई
I will use this mascara on your eyelashes.
I'm so sorry.
It's good. It's good.
ऐसी बात थोड़ी है, कुछ तो आता ही है।
मना किसने किया?
What is this pencil for? Lakme eyebrow pencil. Eyebrows are good. I don't know. I don't know what is this used for. I don't even know how to open
Try
it.
it.
What is this for?
Are you putting this? Yeah.
Yes, I'm trying this.
I'm combining two colors. This is my art set. My dad is like, no, nothing. I understand. You can keep them close first.
This is better.
Anything else left?
I don't understand. Why are you?
I was actually reading every single thing. Oh my god.
No, this is a lip gloss. So let me gloss your lips now. Why are you laughing?
I don't know, I just happened to laugh.
तू वो लिप खोल के लेती है, मैं बंद कर इसको, मैं लगा दूंगा ऐसे। You have to understand the artist before the artist understands you.
Keep quiet.
I was just giving she
Yeah, okay.
special comments और क्या? Okay, let's try the latest discovery. They call it an eyeliner. Let us line your eye.
It goes like. Oh, you have another eyeliner on the other eye.
Those old movies, ladies, you remember? Saira Banu, you know, they used to put it till अच्छी था।
Papa puts better liner than me.
Thank you, all of you.
Seriously.
God bless you all. भगवान तेरा ये eyeliner लंबा चलाए। Makeup done. You all can
So
check.
I'm gonna compare the picture, what like the inspiration we took, and like yeah, that's the picture.
And now this is Gauri, and that's the picture. Rishi, please come in the frame. Yes, yes. So that's Mrinal Panchal and that's Gauri and makeup done by Rishi Bhasin, Gauri's dad. Gauri, show the picture of Mrinal again. No, like that only, the way you're showing it.
Nice.
Ah, yes, well done.
Thank you.